Reminiscent of the most exquisite Italian villas, Montecito's Villa Bencista is a world-class estate offering serene privacy, robust amenities, and spectacular ocean and mountain views. Offering 6 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms with under 12,200 square feet of living space. From the stately Iron Gate entrance to the striking architecture of the main residences to the expansive lawn and beautiful orchards, this stunning property conjures visions of Montecito's iconic early 20th century estates. The entrance to the main residence is surrounded by an expansive cobblestone motor court. Dramatic glass and wrought iron entry doors and a welcoming gallery add to the estate's aristocratic ambiance. The living room and formal dining room, imbued with old-world charm, open via French doors to the loggia overlooking the 20-meter pool, ocean view, and impeccable grounds. A beautiful library features dramatic dark-stained cabinetry with custom lighting and a hand-carved stone fireplace. The expansive kitchen has top-of-the-line gourmet appliances, designer fixtures, custom cabinetry and countertops, and a butler's pantry. The adjacent family room offers an inviting space to gather family and friends. The primary bedroom suite is a luxurious retreat located on the entry level, features a lovely antique French provincial fireplace mantel and chandelier, while French doors open to both a private terrace and spacious loggia. 2 lavish bathrooms feature abundant marble, designer fixtures, a shower, spacious walk-in closets with custom cabinetry, and a balcony overlooking the estate's private forest. A grand central staircase with clerestory windows leads to the rooftop terrace, complete with a fireplace and stunning 360-degree views. The lower level begins in the gallery hallway, complete with a custom entertaining bar. Further exploration reveals a wine cellar, a craft or playroom, and a beautiful theater room. There are 4 spacious guest suites on the lower level, each thoughtfully renovated with a distinct style and amenities to ensure maximum comfort for family members or guests. The estate's landscaping is nothing short of extraordinary. The sparkling pool is flanked by twin pergolas, one adjacent to a charming guest house, and the other adjoining a pool house, which hosts a complete gym and 2 shower rooms. A vast lawn, a diverse array of trees, and a rose garden invite moments of serene enjoyment at nearly every turn. Modern in its offerings, yet classic in its timeless design, Villa Bencista Estate offers residents a private world-class refuge mere minutes from all the pristine beaches, cultural events, and recreational opportunities Montecito and Santa Barbara have to offer. The home was sold for $16,250,000 in April 2021.